everyone, welcome back to our YouTube series InvestED. Today we're going to go back to basics and talk about what a bond is. So you can think of a bond as a loan. Governments or corporations often look to launch a new project or expand their operations, and one of the ways that they can do this is by issuing bonds, and that's how they raise money. So a bond is an agreement to borrow from investors for a set period of time and then repay the amount at maturity. This is known as the principal payment. In addition, during the life of the bond, the purchaser generally receives interest payments at spaced intervals, for example, quarterly, from the company or the government. These are called coupon payments. So as an example, let's say you bought a 5-year bond and its face value is $100,000 and it has a 5% coupon paid once a year. If you hold that bond to maturity, your total return will equal the coupon payments that you received over the life of the bond. In other words, your return on that bond will equal the coupon rate at 5%. So that is what a bond is. Stay tuned for more in our YouTube series InvestED.